Are you getting out of inspiration for your rice recipe? If yes, watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you how to make a rice and fish, a delicious meal that comes from Senegal. Let's get started. For the protein, we have 1.5 kg of grouper fish. The fish spicy, we have ginger and garlic powder, pepper powder, black pepper, Maggi star, and moutarde de Dijon. For the rice, we have 1 kilo of Nigerian rice that I pre-boiled already. And for the mixture of our rice, we have red scotch bonnet pepper, yellow scotch bonnet pepper, green beans, red onion, and green paprika pepper. For the spicy, we have ogiri. They use it in the powdered form called sumbala. We have dry paprika pepper, black pepper, ginger and garlic powder, and crayfish. We don't add crayfish in the initial recipe, but we're going to add it. We will start by slicing our fish. And I'm doing a mark to allow the spices to be well inserted in the fish. I've allowed the pot to heat, and now I'm going to add my oil. So I added groundnut oil, then I'll add the green peas, the onion, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and you mixed everything very well. You mix it and look at how colorful it is, how beautiful, how nice it is. I don't know if you can perceive it, but I can perceive the taste of the food. So you cover it and allow it to steam for 3 minutes in the oil. Then you open it, you stir it again, and you remove half of it that you're going to use as toppings once your rice is done. And the remaining will be stirring it, and we're going to add the spices to it. We have to mix it with the rice, so the rice and the vegetable will have one particular taste. It's not going to be like plain rice and vegetable. Then I add my cube stock. Mine is made of beef. You can use any one, and please mix it with water to be sure that you are not going to struggle the way I'm struggling. And I added water previously to my mixture, and I'm still adding more. Then I add the rice. To the spices, you need to add water immediately so it won't burn, which I did previously, and I still added more. And to the last portion of water we're supposed to add, I mixed it with my very dark soy sauce. And you stir it, and you cover it with a cooking paper. Please don't cover it with a rubber, a nylon, or something plastic. It's dangerous. Be sure you lower the fire completely so your rice can be cooking softly and won't get burnt. We have rye parsley and very dark soy sauce. Now we are going to spicy our fish. I'm doing some whole to allow the spicy to penetrate very well. The line in the middle that we use for the spices, I cut it like this because I feel like when you cut it straight, the spicy doesn't go deep in it. But when it's by the side, it goes really deep in it. So we're going to add all our spices together. It's very important to mix all the spices and split it on all over the surface of your fish. And don't forget to spicy the inside as well, and add your parsley in it. That's one of my favorite parts because the parsley adds a particular taste to the fish. It gives it a taste of freshness. And we add a pinch of oil, just a little bit, for the fish to be shining and crispy on the surface. We are putting it in the oven and we allow it to cook. We allow it to grill for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Our fish is ready. I'm just adding the oil on top of the fish for it to be shiny, and we're going to check our rice. So the rice is done, perfectly done. We're going to mix it and stir it, test it. It's delicious. And we add the previous vegetable we removed as toppings for the rice to be more colorful and nicer. We add our paprika green pepper for more taste, and our food is ready.
Look at this amazing, delicious, tantalizing recipe. Try it and let me know. I'm sure you're going to come back in the comment section and be like, Angela, please give us more recipe. Give us more rice recipe with fish. This is called sumbala rice. It's from Senegal and it's delicious. Hope you try it. Me, I'm about to have a big portion of it. See you next time in my next video. But by the way, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.